Let's see what's cooking on TV.
After basting, you'll find that your bird will come out golden brown. Every succulent morsel will simply melt in your mouth. Wee, how easy the white meat slices, eh? Yum, yum. Those are not look.
What's the matter with me? I gotta get birds off of my mind. I know. I'll play the radio. Music will get my mind off of it.
That was Bye Bye Blackbird. And now we'll play When the Red Red Robin Comes Bob Bob Bobbing Along.
I gotta stop myself. There. Now I won't be able to get the bird.
Oh, Mr. Pussycat, don't you like me anymore?
I think you're delicious.
I'm sorry I had to do that. I was afraid you might be weakening.
Yes, I did weaken. Thanks a lot.